Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my new tool of data extractor. So that tool extract the data from Google Map. So as you can see that we have updated our tool and we have added some new features, new functions in this tool. So like you can add some keywords. Before the updated version we just need to enter the one keyword, and after that we need to switch of our tool and then start again and enter the another keywords. Now we have updated version, we just need to enter some keywords. We have already created a file like this: dental clinic in Delhi and dental clinic in Gurugram. These are the cities in India. So I am just enter the keywords. I am just enter the file in this my tool. So you can see that keyword has been done. You can see that the first keywords is Delhi and second is Gurugram. After that you can see that the behind that the map is working. We need to just start the boot, and it's asking for me, do you want business website, email from business website? Yes, we need that. So it will extract the whole database, that keyword you can see that will go to Google Map, and these are the clinics in Delhi, and it will be extract one by one from Google Map. And you can see that the database you can see here is more accurate from any other database which you will buy from any provider. So if you are looking for good database, you can buy this tool and extract the database from Google Map. So you will find the exact address, website, phone number, email IDs. You can see the categories, rating, reviews, everything. It will take some second to extract the database, and you will have the full of list. And if you can put, like I need to extract the dental clinic from Delhi, you can choose anything. Like if you looking for any companies, if you are looking from any provider like bulk SMS, email provider, so you can choose it, like hotel, restaurant. Use this tool and find the exact address, find the exact locations, everything you can find it from this tool. These are the big cities, so we have to wait for some second for extraction for this tool. So I have already extracted that database. I'll show you. It already have saved that file. The file is there. I have already saved that file. You can see that these are the clinics, the address, websites, phone numbers, anything. So that database, I have already told you that this database is 100% accurate. The email IDs you can use for your email marketing, phone number, as you can, if you have any WhatsApp tool or any tool to promote, or any voice GSM tool, so you can use that numbers. And already have website. If you want to go check the website from any location, you can do that. Like these keywords are the keywords, like if the dental clinic in Delhi, you also can do that dental clinic at Delhi, Lakshmi Nagar, like any specific place. If you want to choose that, you can do that. Like I am using that, I am extracting the database from all over the cities. So if you want to choose from particular places, you can do that, and extracting the all of the list. And after the completion, you can see that it will be check 1, check 2. You can enter the any keywords. There is no limit about it. You can enter 50 to 30 keywords to extract the all the list. And once it will done, it will be check here and the move to second keywords. I hope you like my video. If you are looking for this tool, just ping me on my Skype or visit on my Bowl7 website. Thank you very much.